Here we have a 1.5 horsepower Bridgeport 42-inch table. Currently this unit is wired 440. It can also be wired 220. This unit is all new bearings in the motor. It has a new motor shaft because the motor shaft was chewed up when we got it. It has all bearings in the head. It has brand new bushings in both of the drive pulleys. The quill housing has been completely taken apart, cleaned up. All the feed linkage has been taken apart and cleaned up. It has new clock spring. Only thing that was not replaced in the head were the belts, because the belts were actually in good condition. This unit here has a Bridgeport style feed system on it. You look over here, you have an on and an off switch. You flip the switch on, it turns the power on to the motor. When you come over here, left makes you go left. As you can see, it's variable speed. You can hit rapid. There's actually a couple broken pieces in here that were fixed, so we can keep the stock feed on it. This just has a handle for left or right. It does not have the knockoff rod on this unit. Come over here. This is your forward and reverse and off switch. As you can hear, the head sounds excellent. That's just some grease you hear slinging around inside the head because it was just rebuilt. It's a little slow on changing speed, and that's only because all the bushings are brand new in the head, and the head still needs the brake in, but it's not an issue at all. That was high range. Come over here. The low range. You always want to make sure when you're shifting from high to low, low to high, jiggle the quill, make sure that it is engaged. You hear a little bit of noise in low, you're way down low. It's just a little bit of gear train noise, the back gears in the back. Not an issue, it's not going to hinder the performance of the mill at all whatsoever. Let's put it back in high. Let's click in. Over here to engage the feed right now is disengaged. You want to move the lever over to engage. As you can see, the feed starts. This knocks off on the up and the downstroke. As you can see, this has the quick set micro nut, which makes it easy to set on a fly. When you come over here, you pull the knob out. As you can see, it changes the direction of the feed. Show you there's also 3 different feed ranges. This is your medium setting. I'm sorry, that was your slow setting. This is your medium setting. This is your high setting right here. If you want, you can disengage the feed. As you can see, the feed is disengaged. Turn it off. This is your brake. You come over to the table. It is in good shape. There's not a lot of wear. This is an older style Bridgeport. There is not oil on this. This is all grease lubrication. In the x-axis, the backlash and the screw and the nut, you have there's 17 thousandths. And then the Y, there's 3 thousandths of backlash. You can see both units go to end with ease. There's no binding. This one gets a little tight toward the back half. This is an older Bridgeport. As you can see, the ways are clean. There's still some remnants of the flaking left, but it does go end to end with ease. You can see it goes up with ease and goes down with ease. So this goes from end to end. There's no tight spots at all in the table. And if you come around to the back of the Bridgeport, there's a service box, so you can kill the power on the Bridgeport to the motor, turn it back on, it turns the power back onto the head. This is our 1.5 horsepower Bridgeport.